you look up over to the top right hand corner, you're going to see your name, and then you're going to click on the phone button. Now you're going to see where you can select your phone number. So the first thing you need to do is put in the area code that you're calling from or want to be calling from. After putting in your area code, you're going to see a list of phone numbers. Once you see the one that you like, you're going to go ahead and click on Get This. Now this number that you just selected will now become your new work or business number. Any phone call or text message that comes through this number will be logged and recorded. You will be able to make phone calls or send out text messages directly from your desktop or through your smartphone on your Android or iPhone app. Now what we're going to do next is go ahead and set up how you want your phone calls to be received. My recommendation would be to have it ring directly through the GoCRM app. And just in case you don't answer within 15 seconds, go ahead and forward it to your office number. If the call is forwarded to another number, you can enable Call Whisperer to identify that the call is coming from GoCRM. Once you've selected your preferences, go ahead and click on Update. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and sync your email. What this is going to allow you to do is send and receive emails directly from GoCRM. Now let's go ahead and click on Connect to Email. What you're going to do next is go ahead and click on your account, or you might be prompted to put your email and password in. Now you will be redirected to GoCRM, and you should see your email and status should be sync working. Now that your email is connected, let's go ahead and set up your email signature. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste mine, but you can also create one in our built-in editor. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Save, and then the green button will enable your signature. And for the last step in setting up your new GoCRM account, we're going to go ahead and go to the Notification tab. By default, all of your notifications will be on in your email. I highly recommend that you also turn on your mobile notifications. There you'll be able to see new tasks, new appointments, and new leads that are coming in directly via text message. Also, don't forget, if you need to change any of your personal information or your password, go ahead and click on the Profile button. Go ahead and click on the GoCRM logo in the top left-hand corner, and that'll be your home button. And there you go, your GoCRM account is all set and ready to go.